Let's talk about your hometown and living place. How long have you been living in your current neighborhood?
I have been living in my current neighborhood for about 10 years. Over time, I have becoming familiar with almost every street, shop, and park nearby. And I also know many of my neighbors, and we often greet each other.
If you could design your own dream house, what would it look like?
My dream house would be a modern house with large glass windows to bring in natural light. It would have a rooftop garden where I could grow flowers and vegetables. And also has a quiet reading room with shelves full of books and comics, and also a small swimming pool in the backyard.
What kinds of buildings are common in your hometown?
Most of the buildings in my hometown are like a small family house, usually 2 or 3 floors. There are also local market, schools, and a few apartments. In recent years, some modern office buildings have been built, but they are still not very common.
Are there any new buildings being constructed near where you live at the moment?
Yes, at the moment, a big shopping mall is being built about 3 kilometers from my house. It will have many stores, restaurants, and even a cinema. I think it will make the area busier and more exciting.
Do you think your hometown will have more modern buildings in the future?
Yes, I believe so. Um, as more people move to my hometown and economy improves, there will be more modern apartments, shopping centers, and office buildings. Some old house might be replaced by and by taller buildings.
Now let's move on to talk about other buildings. Have you ever visited a famous historical building?
Yes, I have visited the Temple of Literature in Hanoi. I was impressed by its traditional Vietnamese architectures, beautiful gardens, and peaceful atmosphere. And it was interesting to learn about its history as the first university in Vietnam.
Did you visit many interesting places when you were a child?
Yes, I did. My parents often took me to parks, museums, beach, or a beach. I still remember my first trip to the zoo, where I see elephants, lions, and more. Those trips were exciting and full of happy memories.
Are you going to visit any new places or buildings this year?
Yes, I and my family are planning to travel to Da Nang this year. I want to see the Golden Bridge, which looks with two giant hands holding a walkway, and visit some modern resorts and beautiful beaches there.